Hey British Columbians! What does a forester in Prince George, a drone maker in Vancouver, and an environmental consultant in Victoria all have in common? They're all part of a forestry community. That's because BC's forest industry purchased more than $7 billion in goods and services from nearly 9,900 suppliers, located in 340 communities and from 120 Indigenous Nations and affiliated organizations in 2019. Suppliers in communities like Vancouver, Prince George, Campbell River, Quesnel, and Surrey, which were the top 5 locations for forest industry spend. If each supplier employs 5, 10, 50, 100 people, that's a whole lot of British Columbians who count on the forest industry each day to support their families, pay their bills, and enjoy a great quality of life. To find out more about how your community is a forestry community, read our 2019 study, Deep Roots, Strong Communities, at COFI.org.